Just slowly. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. If I didn't ride blade on curb, would you still? If I minimize my net worth, would you still? Keep it 100 already, you trust me then too. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got some.
Hey guys, we're here at Petco, and we're gonna build Hannah and Sassy a maze and see who could get out the fastest. We're gonna do it out of cardboard boxes, but we're here at Petco today because we're getting treats for them so they could sniff their way out at least.
Yeah, so we don't have any treats, so we're here and we're gonna get some of their favorite treats. Are we gonna like, do you think we're gonna put it like at the end of the end of the maze? Or are we just gonna hold it in front of them and lead them out? Or how
I say we do it at the end of the maze.
Well, we
could try both.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. But either way, we're using the treats to help them sniff their way out of the maze, and we're gonna see who gets the fastest time. And whoever gets the fastest time, of course, gets another treat or two.
I'd say we dump a bucket of water on the loser, but Robert doesn't want to. We apologize for not posting for a while because we've actually been really busy.
Yeah, but we do plan to come back with a lot of videos. We have a lot of ideas lined up. So make sure you guys stay tuned for all of our videos coming soon.
We brought Sassy with us, by the way, and she's right here asleep waiting for us to get out.
Oh, and before we show you guys, let's just say that it's been about going on 2 weeks since you guys have seen her. Probably longer because I don't think she was in our last video. But she has grown so much. Like I don't even know if we can call her a puppy anymore. I mean, she's our puppy, but she's not much of a puppy. She's pretty big, so.
And she already had her first grooming already. Yeah. All the hairs out of her face so you can see her eyes. And I did her hair.
Yeah, so she's a lot bigger. You guys will see her though when we go inside Petco right now because we have her with us. I'm gonna take her with us and put her in the basket. We put Sassy in a crop top.
No, it's her harness vest.
It goes up to like right here on her.
Who bought it and who sized it on her?
I got it for her when she was a puppy. Like she wasn't supposed to wear it anymore, and like it's in the past. But yeah, we'll meet you guys in there. Dogs like them gourmet.
Oh yeah, PetSmart.
They're like the gourmet treats. Sassy, she used to go crazy over the little milk buns, these little ones. And now every time we give them to her, we put it in her face and she goes. Like, what the heck? Hold up. You used to go crazy over those and now you're over here rejecting us and everything. Like, these are the type of gourmet ones I'm talking about right here. Screw it. We just need something that they're gonna sniff out. Look at her, she's already sniffing through the bag. Yeah, you like those, Sassy?
She has nose
like
juice.
Oh, you should pretty.
Here, let's see if we can get nose juice on camera. That's nose juice, you guys see? It's all foggy. It's from Sassy.
So we got the treats. Just gonna take these treats and go. We got tons of boxes, so we're gonna go home and me and Jackie are gonna put together some type of maze.
He's not a Shih Tzu, but he's a Maltipoo, and he's a Morton.
Does he bite? He's a friend.
Look at baby, he loves baby. Are you guys YouTubers?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
What do you do? Are you makeup?
No, we both have a vlogging channel.
Oh, okay.
We like pranks and stuff.
Aww. You look like you work at In-N-Out, Sassy. Yeah, I think one of my favorite things about Sassy is that she plays with any toy. Doesn't matter what type of toy. It doesn't even have to squeak. It doesn't even have to be a toy. We could give her a sock and a bottle. I mean, a bottle and a sock. Sassy, you are so spoiled, Sassy.
Which one do you want her?
If I were a dog, I would take these just because they look like some type of cookies.
I would take these.
Those? Those are kind of good.
You want her to have these? One of these?
Mm-hmm.
Here, smell it, you guys.
Smells like a real cookie. What the hell? You spoiled puppy.
Okay.
She's going straight for the cream. Treat, Sassy.
Sassy treat?
Oh. Alright, so we got Sassy's treats and we don't really have like a plan for the maze or anything, but we're just probably gonna cut out some holes and just cut boxes up and just put them together and make some type of maze. We'll meet you guys when we get home. We're kind of winging this right now. We got a really ghetto maze made of cardboard boxes. I don't know how this is gonna go, but you guys will see.
We're gonna decide who goes first by throwing the toy. Whoever grabs the toy first will go first. So, here. Hey, Sassy, go get it.
Ooh.
Who comes back with the toy though? Who do you think that was? Sassy got it.
Sassy got it through. Take a close look with our amazing building carpenter Lego skills. We constructed some type of maze out of the winter boxes. Really ghetto maze, but it's working.
The ending.
Box up there, they don't know which way to go, but they go through this way through the tunnel and through like a little passageway. Then they made another dead end, but they realized that this is the only way out, so then they come through this way. And then if you look right here, we have a hole that they have to jump through. So yeah, and we're gonna be timing them to see who gets there the fastest, and the treat is at the end for whoever gets there fastest. Rice, beef slices with rice. That looks fire.
Beef sausage.
With rice. Treats.
I'll time it.
Treat. With to know what the reward is at the end. Yeah, this smells like some bomb beef jerky or something.
Oh, that does.
Smell the hell of fire. Oh, look at them. They got
Getting pretty.
big old eyes. Alright.
You should have it and give them a flavor.
Smell.
Damn.
I'm not trying to eat it already. Sassy smell. Sassy smell. Dang.
So I'm gonna do little pieces of jerky and just line them up in here so they can just drop them.
Sassy's first try. Alright, so we put little bits of treats all the way throughout the thing so she could smell it and find her way through there. Sassy, go! Sassy, the time started. Sassy, go!
You have to
Sassy.
show her it.
Treats! Treats, Sassy! Treats! Oh, okay, yeah, this is gonna take a while.
Yeah.
She's gonna stop
She's
and
a
eat all of
baby.
them.
Big white baby.
Follow the camera. Let's go follow her at the camera.
Sassy, treat, treat.
Come on, Sassy, you just gotta go through that hole.
Sassy, treat.
She's getting distracted by the bug.
Treat, treat, treat.
Woo, good job, Sassy, baby. My money's still on, Sassy.
My money's on Hannah.
Go, Hannah, go.
Oh shit, she's back.
Hannah's like, I'm just here for treats, I don't know. She's getting scared of the tunnel. Go, go, Hannah, go. Good girl. Come on, Hannah, come on. Come on, Hannah. Come on, Hannah, get the treats. Come on, Hannah.
Come on, Hannah, treat. Hannah, nose treat. Come on. Come on, Hannah, pup, 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 pup.
Let's go, Hannah, let's go. Let's go, bye, bye.
Alright, since our dogs want to take their sweet time, we're going to see who can get through the maze faster. Robert or me?
Us?
Yeah, let's go.
Robert is not gonna fit through that hole.
I cannot get through that hole.
Ready? Oh shit!
Cheat ass.
What the heck?
Wait, what was my time?
13-7.
Bam! Your turn. Your turn, baby.
Here you go. Oh. I can't make it through the hole. Alright, so we gotta start off this by giving the winner the winner her treat. Here you go. Good job. Congratulations.
And then out of us, I think I won. You guys tell me who you guys thought won, but personally, I think I won.
She didn't even attempt to go through the circle. I at least tried. I'm like twice her size.
So I think I deserve to shave your head. Or your mustache.
You know, no.
The mustache.
She did win. Here, here's your treat.
Whatever.
You gotta eat it. If you guys enjoyed that quick video, make sure to give us the dislike real quick. Leave a comment if you guys enjoyed it. What was your guys' favorite part about that? Did you guys enjoy the dogs going through it or us going through it more? Comment, subscribe, tell your friends about us, and also have them subscribe to us.
And we will see you guys later.
Later.
Later.